Good morning class 6. This is your ME class. In the previous video we have started your chapter 4 and chapter 4 is about the topic love for God, and we have already explained and we have already read the first portion of this chapter, and today in this video we are going to read and explain the next part, that is seeing the Mashiach of the poor. Seeing the Mashiach of the poor. Okay, so take your book and start reading and try to understand the meaning that I am telling you. Okay, so open page number 6 in your ME. See page number 6. The topic name is seeing the Mashiach of the poor. Okay, what it means? It means seeing the God of the poor. Okay, seeing is a person who is the God of the poor. Okay, let's read. Once there lived a man named Singh in the village of Chambal. Okay, once upon a time there was a man who lived in the village of Chambal. What is the name of the village? Chambal. And the name of the man was Singh. Okay, there was a man whose name was Singh. He lived in a village and the village name was Chambal. He toiled day and night but could hardly earn enough to feed his family. Okay, Singh worked hard. Singh worked hard day and night, but he could not earn too much money for his family. Singh worked hard all the day and night, but he could not earn too much money for his family. He was exploited by the landlords and ill-treated by the upper class people. Okay, Singh was exploited. Exploited means what? Exploited means take advantage, है ना? And landlord means what? Landlord means the owner of land, है ना? The owner of lands take advantage of Singh, and he was ill-treated by the upper class people. What it means? It means the upper class people did misbehavior with Singh. He was very upset with his life. That's why Singh became very sad, very upset with his life, because the landlords take advantage of him. The landlords took advantage of him, and the upper class people did misbehave with Singh. That's why he became very sad with his life. He saw many more people facing this misery. Singh saw many more people like him in this crisis situation. है ना? Singh saw so many people like him who faced this crisis situation in life. He took a grave step. Grave step means dangerous step, है ना? Grave step means what? Dangerous step. One day, who took a dangerous step. He and his two friends disguised themselves as dacoits. है ना? Dacoits means what? Robber, है ना? Thief. So, Singh and his two friends disguised themselves as robber. Okay, as dacoits. All day long, he looted and plundered the rich people in villages. All day long, he looted and plundered the rich people in villages. All day long, what they did, Singh and his friends, what they did all along day, they looted and plundered all the valuable things of the people who lived in the village. At night, he distributed the booty among the poor and needy people irrespective of their religion, caste and creed. At night, what they did? At night, Sher Singh and his friends distributed all the looted valuable things. Sher Singh and his friends at night distributed or gave all the valuable things those they have looted from the rich people of the village to the poor and needy people, even in the out of their religion, they distributed all things. Okay, once again I am telling, Sher Singh after looted all things at night, Sher Singh gave all the valuable looted things to the poor and needy people. He gave those things even the people who belong to the different religion. Hence all the poor people in that area loved and blessed him. That's why all the poor people of that area where Sher Singh lived loved and blessed him. Okay, so why the poor people loved and blessed Sher Singh? Because all the poor people and needy people loved and blessed Sher Singh because he looted so many valuable things from the rich people in the village, and at night he distributed all the valuable things to the poor and needy people, even the people who belong to different caste and religion. When he died, Lord Yam came to take him to hell. After his death, after Sher Singh's death, Lord Yam came to him to take him to hell. Many angels came forward and asked Lord Yam to grant him pardon. Many angels appeared and told Lord Yam that to forgive Sher Singh because he did good things for the people, है ना? After his death, when Lord Yam come to take him to hell, many angels come there and told Lord Yam to forgive Sher Singh because it is true that he robbed the things of the rich men of the village, but he gave all those things to the poor people. Lord Yam said, "Why are you favoring a dacoit?" Lord Yam said to the angels that why are you favoring a dacoit? Okay, why are you talking in favor of the dacoit? He had spread terror in the minds of people. Who are dacoits? They spread terrors in the minds of the people. So why are you doing favor for the dacoits? He is guilty. He did faults. He did wrong work. The angel said, Almighty God, please pardon Sher Singh. Angel said, God, please pardon Sher Singh. Though Sher Singh has committed many crimes, he always loved his fellow beings. Though Sher Singh robbed many things of the rich people of the village, but he loved his fellow beings. Fellow beings means he loved the poor and needy people around him. He has helped all the poor and needy people irrespective of their religion, caste and creed. Sher Singh helped all the poor and needy people. Even he helped those people who did not belong to his own religion. He helped those people who belong to the other religion, other caste, other creeds. Sher Singh also requested Lord Yam to forgive him. Sher Singh himself also requested Lord Yom to forgive him, to forgive his sin. Finally, Lord Yom replied, looting others' money or valuables is a crime. Finally, Lord Yom replied that taking away others' money or valuable things is a crime. But since Sher Singh used it for the welfare of the poor and needy, he will be rewarded. In spite of being a robber, Sher Singh did good work. Sher Singh helped the poor and needy people. He helped the poor and needy people for their progress. That's why Sher Singh will be rewarded. For his sins, he will work hard in hell for 4 months. For his sins, all the sins he had done, for that he will work for 4 months in the hell. For his sins, Sher Singh will work 4 months in the hell. After that, considering his good deeds, he will be sent to heaven forever. After that, considering his good work, he will be sent to the heaven forever. So children, you have seen that everybody is penalized for his or her bad deeds and rewarded for his or her good deeds. So children, you know everyone is penalized for his bad deeds and everyone is rewarded for their good deeds. है ना? Everyone is penalized for his bad deeds and everyone is rewarded for his good deeds by the God. God is kind, compassionate, merciful and always does justice. God is kind, compassionate, merciful and always does justice. Have faith in God. So you have to have faith, you have to have trust, belief in God. If you really feel sorry, God will forgive you. If you really feel sorry for something, God will forgive you. If you help people, God will help you. If you help people, God also help you. So see the moral of the story. You should love your fellow beings. So students, you have to love your fellow beings. Fellow beings means people may be good or bad around you. You have to love all those people. They may be good or bad, but you have to love all of them. You have to love all those people around us. Okay?